how to remove someone from share list on Instagram. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's get started. So if you open up your Instagram, so for example, you want to share something. For example, I've got this post here. Click on the share button and you'll see I've got this person here. So it's Movie Maniac, this person. So he's on my share list. So this person, to remove this person, what I'm going to do, firstly, send this post to them. So I'm going to just select it, send this post. Okay, so just send the post to them. And once that's done, so I'm going to just open up the post here. So open up the post, and then what I'm going to do now is tap on that post that I just sent, click on it, and then what I'm going to do, tap on the person's name here, which takes them to the profile. So tap on the profile's name here, and then here once you get to the profile, you have an option called, there's 3 dots here which says option. Tap on it, and then what I'm going to do, you're going to click on restrict. Okay, so restrict will actually limit a certain person from from seeing certain of your certain contents of yours. Okay, they limit the interactions from you, which includes removing them from share list as well. So tap on restrict to remove them from your share list, and that's pretty much it. So this will actually not block the person, but it will restrict them just to reduce the interactions between this account. And that's pretty much it is. Hope the video was helpful. I will see you in a new video. Thank you.